Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Nandit with us from SunTap. Hi sir, very warm welcome to EQ sir.
Hi, thanks a lot for visiting us. Yes.
So can you let us know about SunTap and your role in SunTap?
SunTap is a very innovative solution provider to the renewables industry in India. We started in 2011, and since then we are bringing technologies which were globally used and we are bringing them to Indian market. For example, in 2011 we came up with ramped foundations which were uncommon in India at that time. So these foundations were they are fast to do, they are economical, they are more sustainable, have a less carbon footprint, they are eco-friendly because you are not using water, you are not polluting the soil by dumping concrete. And we since 2011 we have covered over 4 gigawatt of projects in ramped foundations. Similarly, now we have bought in new materials like GFRP composite frames for solar modules, and we are also working on energy storage systems. So we are trying to bring new solutions to the Indian solar and overall renewable energy industry, which are basically win-win for the EPCs and developers.
So what are the products you are offering in this REI 2025?
So in REI, we are offering our ramped foundation services and metal foundations, which are basically driven foundations. So these are, as I told, the advantages. There are many advantages. So that is our first product. Second, we are also offering composite module frames, which are made of GFRP. They are an alternative to aluminum. Again, they cost less. They are corrosion free and they have a longer life. Third, we are offering our energy storage solutions under our different company, Lexo Energy. So we have introduced cutting edge energy storage solutions. So these are the three main products we are displaying here, products or service we are displaying here.
How do you see the Indian solar market and the current pricing, demand and supply in the solar market?
The Indian solar market is exploding, as you already know, and as we add more energy storage possibilities and as we make our grids capable to absorb more intermittent forms of energy like solar and wind, there is going to be a never-ending demand for solar. And as we have more storage, as we have more hydrogen and mobile fuel derived from those storage technologies, solar will be the base form of energy and it will keep expanding.
Okay, any exciting projects and innovations you have planned for this year?
Yes, we are working on a lot of innovative projects wherein we are trying out new materials in special cases where there is a lot of corrosion, where we are trying out new methods. We are trying to reduce, as you are aware now, the project sizes are very big. We are talking about each project being minimum 200 megawatt, 500 megawatt, even there are projects which are running into thousands of megawatts. So we are working on new solutions to streamline the process and manage that scale.
What are your plans for the distribution of products and what is the expectation from the government?
In distribution, we are already working with various companies. For example, for modules, we are working with Renew Power, and for composite frames, we have tied up with a big composite frame supplier. So we are already working on various distribution projects as well. And my expectation from the government would be to majorly on the battery and the energy storage vertical. practical. We want that government comes up with ALBM like they came for ALMM, like they came with ALMM for solar modules, so that the domestic battery industry or the BESS industry can grow rapidly like the solar module industry grew.
That's great, sir. Thank you for being with us and all the best for the upcoming projects. Thank you, sir.